Yeah, so I posted a video this morning when I was doing a little shoveling, and then I saw a bunch of people saying, oh, we got no snow in Delhi or Brantford. It's pretty much been a blizzard here all day. Already shoveled twice, did the laneway, but the plow hasn't even been by on the road yet, which I was surprised. So I've got to go to town to get a couple things, so just kind of warming up my truck, getting ready to go. But yeah, it's been a blizzard here all morning. Yeah, you can see they still haven't plowed the roads yet. See where I kind of went through the one spot here, so a couple tire tracks. See how it is. A little icy on this hill. I put my winter tires on when I did. It's definitely a bit of a blizzard here. Whiteouts in some spots. Obviously the plow just came by when I was leaving, and it must have been dropping salt as well because the road seems to be a little clear, which is nice. I probably got a mound in front of my driveway that I gotta shovel out. Yeah, of course. Yeah, come up and give that. It should only take a minute or two.